Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. So there's another question for one of the subscriber. He asked me, how can I improve my trading results? So imagine if you are a professional golfer and you want to improve your trading results. What to improve your golfing results? What will you do? You will actually video yourself, how are you doing the swing, and then get feedback from watching your video. How are you doing to improve your golfing results? So in the same way for trading, how do you actually have feedback and find out how do you trade? Okay, the key is to actually have what we call a trading journal. Okay, so when you have a trading journal, you will actually record down your trades, and when you record down your trades, you actually have a form of feedback to see how are you doing in that trade. Okay, so what are the things that you should record down when you're doing your trading journal? The first thing is what I want to talk about is E. You want to write down what is your entry, why you enter the position. From there, what is your reason you entered the position? So you must write down the entry price and also what's the reason you entered the position. Second thing is you want to find out, you want to write down what is your target price. So after you find out your entry price, you want to know what is your target price and why do you want to put your target price over at that area. Okay, third thing is exit price. You want to find out, you want to write down what is your stop loss price. If you are going to stop loss, what is the price you should stop loss at, and what is the reason you should stop loss at that price. Okay, because trading is always about risk reward, right? So in risk reward, when you do your entry to your target, there must be a ratio, and when you do your entry to your exit, there must be a ratio, correct or not? So let's say example, when I enter at $1, my target price is, let's say, 120, and my exit price is, let's say 90 cents. So from here, right, my profit is 20 cents, okay, 20 cents versus my loss is 10 cents. So my risk reward will be equals to 2:1. You follow what I'm saying? Because when you correct, you make 20 cents, you lose 10 cents. So there must be what we call a positive risk reward ratio. The second thing, what we want to do is to have a probability. So as you are doing your trading journal, you must find out how many times does it hit your stop loss, how many times does it hit your target price. Okay, so if you keep records and you find out that, hey, I hit target price 60% of the time, and at the same time, whenever I hit my target price, I'll make 2 times more than if I lose, right? 40% of the time, I'll lose about 10 cents. So from there, you know that you have a positive expectancy, a positive risk-reward ratio, a positive probability. Then you can trade. And the last thing, down your trading journal is time. So a lot of people, they do not actually record down their time frame when they do a trade. It's very important that you write down what is your time frame. Are you trading for 5 days? Are you trading for 5 minutes? Are you trading for 5 weeks? So you need to write down what is your time frame. Why is it you need to put down your time frame? Is because in your time frame, that will determine what is your entry price, your target price, your exit price, and also your size. What is the size you trade? Because if you are trading shorter time frame, you can afford a bigger size. If you are trading longer time frame, you should have trade a smaller size. Okay, maybe the next video I can talk about how to do position sizing, but thank you for watching the video. So if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.